Welcome to Words of Science. Today's word is angle. Geometry comes from the Greek word geo, meaning earth, and metron, meaning measure. Geometry concerns itself largely with the intersection of straight lines. Two lines intersecting form an angle, a word taken from the Latin angulus, meaning a corner. The most familiar angle is the right angle, and the ordinary street corner is a right angle indeed, in a city laid out like Philadelphia or New York. When two lines meet in such a way as to form a sharper point than a right angle does, it is called an acute angle. In Latin, acquere means to sharpen, and the past participle sharpened is acutus. If the lines meet in such a way as to form a blunter point than a right angle does, it is called an obtuse angle. The word obtuse is taken from the Latin prefix ob, meaning against, and tondere, meaning to strike. The past participle of the verb obtundere is obtusus. If you strike against a sharp edge, you blunt or dull it, you make it obtuse. If the two lines that form the angle become so obtuse that they meet in the same straight line, there is no angle in the ordinary sense, but the geometers, to be complete, find it convenient to call a straight line a straight angle sometimes. The word straight comes from the Anglo-Saxon word strekan, which also gives us our word stretch. Stretch a cord after all, and you make a straight line out of it. An angle can still be larger than a straight angle. One arm bends beneath the horizontal and is on its way back to the other arm, so to speak. This is a reflex angle, from the Latin re meaning back and flectere meaning to bend. Bent back in Latin is, in fact, reflexus. And now it's time for a quiz. Question number 1. What does the Greek word geo mean? The answer is earth. Question number 2. What is the English translation to the Latin acquere? It means to sharpen. And finally, question number 3. What is the Latin word for bent back? The answer is reflexus.